Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best destinations from around the world. Today, we find ourselves amidst the breathtaking beauty of Munnar, a charming hill station nestled in the western Ghats of Kerala, India. Join us as we explore the main attractions of this paradise on earth. Munnar is renowned for its vast tea estates, lush green valleys, and mist-covered hills. The best way to reach Munnar from Bangalore and other major cities is by road. From Bangalore, it's approximately a 9-hour drive covering a distance of around 470 kilometers. You can also opt for overnight buses or trains from Bangalore to reach Munnar. If you're flying from a metro city, the nearest airport is Cochin International Airport, located about 110 kilometers away from Munnar. Our first stop is the Spice Garden, where you can immerse yourself in the fragrant world of spices. Learn about the cultivation, processing, and uses of various spices like cardamom, cinnamon, pepper, and more. Enjoy a guided tour through the plantation and witness the natural beauty that surrounds you. Next, we will visit the serene Sengulam Dam Lake, surrounded by verdant hills. Enjoy a boat ride on the calm waters, soaking in the tranquility of the surroundings. Capture some memorable pictures amidst the picturesque landscape. Prepare to be mesmerized by the beauty of Attukad waterfall. Surrounded by rolling hills and lush greenery, this waterfall cascades down in multiple tiers, creating a breathtaking sight. Take a refreshing dip in the cool waters or simply enjoy the view while saving a picnic. Next, head to enchanting Rose Garden. Stroll through the well-manicured gardens adorned with a variety of roses in different colors and patterns. Enjoy the pleasant aroma and indulge in a peaceful retreat. Rose Garden sits on 2 acres of land filled with hundreds of varieties of plants and plantations and is home to variety flora. Most notable among them are the cardamom plantations, various spices, and crops such as vanilla. A large number of flowers along with trees like lychee, rambutan, strawberry, as well as amla are a treat to know about and experience. The beautiful garden also houses garden fresh vegetables, seasonal tropical fruits, and delicious natural honey along with farm-grown coffee and tea. Rose Gardens provides you with an eco-friendly homestay, from where you could enjoy the whole of Munnar. With hiking trails and trekking areas through scenic yet rustic routes, this place truly lets you enjoy nature at its very best. Rose Garden of Munnar is one of most famous and visited place around Munnar. The garden is decorated with different sculptures made of rose. A lovely garden with 60 to 100 varieties of flowers, only rose with many European varieties. Plants are quite well described. This garden is set above 3,500 feet from sea level and an immense view of Munnar surroundings, covered with crops such as vanilla and cardamoms, a breathtaking sight. On the National Highway 49, this could be a nice stop. Next, head to Mattipeti Dam, a popular tourist spot in Munnar. Marvel at the vast expanse of the dam surrounded by lush green valleys. You can go boating on the reservoir or take a leisurely walk along the dam's periphery. Madhupeti is a recommended visit in all seasons except monsoon, when it becomes risky to walk on the dam and even to indulge in any of the water sport activities. June and July see the highest amount of rain and must be avoided. The remaining period of August to May is pleasant. Experience the raw beauty of nature at Eco Point, a serene spot located near Matipeti Dam. Surrounded by mist-covered hills, this place offers breathtaking views and a tranquil atmosphere. Enjoy activities like boating. Venture to Top Station, the highest point in Munnar, offering awe-inspiring views of the Western Ghats. On a clear day, you can witness the panoramic sight of the valley and the Tamil Nadu plains from here. Immerse yourself in the serenity and beauty of the surroundings. Top Station Munnar Trek enables you to walk through the dense woods and grasslands in the area. There is a gentle trekking trail which offers a scenic view of the valley, tea plantations, and the wildlife in the surrounding hills. Top Station is a preferred spot for adventure lovers. This tourist destination and the serene stretch from Munnar are popular among hikers and bikers alike. So, rent a bike and whiz past the green tea estates and dense hilly forests of the region. If you want to catch a sight of the clouds hovering over the nearby tea gardens early in the morning, you can book a stay near Top Station Munnar. Or you can borrow tents for overnight camping at Top Station. Light some bonfire, sing songs and prepare yourself for the early morning hues of the sky. Apart from the adventure activities, the viewpoint also provides you with opportunities to capture some beautiful landscape in your lens. You can get candid shots of the town below and the valley around. Crystal clear waterfalls, the unending hill ranges of Western Ghats, and the slopes covered with flowers are all waiting for you. You will find plenty of food stalls at Top Station. Spicy carrots, hot Maggi noodles, and roasted corn cobs are some delicacies you can check during your visit. And while you're there, don't forget to sip a cup of hot aromatic masala tea. Top Station Munnar is one of the most popular attractions in Kerala, but is the drive really worth it? As part of my 3-day trip to Munnar with India Someday, I decided to head up to the top view here to see what it was all about. Top Station used to be a trading post for the British. But today it's a tourist spot in the Kannan Devan Hills that provides breathtaking views over Munnar, and you can also see Tamil Nadu on the state border. Top Station, as the name suggests, used to be the highest railway station in the area, and it was built in 1902. It was the terminus station of the Kundla Valley Railway, one of the first monorail systems that were established in India. It acted as a transshipment station that was responsible for transporting the tea produced from Kannan Devan Hill tea plantation to the trading post. The tea was then traded on the border with then Madras, current-day Tamil Nadu. Then, it was transported by train further into Tamil Nadu and shipped to England and other locations by boat. When the Great Flood of '99 happened in 1924, Top Station was completely destroyed and was never rebuilt. What's left today is a little bit of cement of where it used to stand. But you can find some artifacts of the old Top Station in the Munnar Tea Museum. Top Station, as the name suggests, used to be the highest railway station in the area and it was built in 1902. It was the terminus station of the Kundla Valley Railway, one of the first monorail systems that were established in India. It acted as a transshipment station that was responsible for transporting the tea produced from Kannan Devan Hill Tea Plantation to the trading post. The tea was then traded on the border with then Madras, current-day Tamil Nadu. Then, it was transported by train further into Tamil Nadu and shipped to England and other locations by boat. When the Great Flood of '99 happened in 1924, Top Station was completely destroyed and was never rebuilt. What's left today is a little bit of cement of where it used to stand. But you can find some artifacts of the old Top Station in the Munnar.
This is one of the beautiful dam of Munnar.
Conclude your Munnar first day journey with a visit to Kundla Dam Lake. Enjoy the picturesque setting, surrounded by rolling hills and
मोबाईल पडला ना बाई खाली काय ना रे शांत बसा.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos.